Not everyone can own a private jet. After all, private jets are for celebrities and top stars of big fortunes. Lionel Messi is used to topping lists. After all, he's a 7-time Ballon d'Or winner, and trophies seem to follow him wherever he goes. The star is known for his lavish lifestyle, spending expensively on clothes, cars, real estate, and jets. According to Forbes, the football player has a net worth of $600 million. So no wonder the star is spending his millions like there's no tomorrow. The football talent even launched his own clothing line and opened his first retail outlet, the Messis store, in 2019 in Barcelona. He also has a lifelong deal with Adidas. It's no shock then that the star owns a luxurious private jet that costs millions. The $15 million luxury plane is the perfect means of transport for the Argentinian to travel, say from Barcelona to Paris, or anywhere he and his family desire. How does the expensive jet look from the inside? Well, this is what we are going to show you today. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy View. In today's video, we are going to explore Lionel Messi's luxurious private jet. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. The Amazing Gulfstream 5 jet was first made by a company in Argentina and designed for Messi as well as his family. It boasts several incredible features, including its very own kitchen. There are 2 bathrooms and enough seats for 16 people, and Messi isn't the star to keep his luxuries to himself. The Argentine footballer was caught in hot water with Paris Saint-Germain for his not-so-green private jet usage, and lending it out to teammates and family. Messi is being criticized for his frequent private jet use, having reportedly taken 52 trips just in 3 months, as per Sports Bible. Thanks to lucrative Adidas and Pepsi gigs, Messi also hires a super yacht and owns luxury cars from Ferraris to Audis, raising questions about his carbon footprint. Whoa! Now, do the steps of the plane feature the names of Messi and his family members? That is next on our list to discover, so make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Incredibly, the chairs of the plane can also be folded up and turned into 8 comfy beds. Wow! To top things off, however, it is true that the steps feature the names of Messi and his family, wife Antonella, plus children Thiago, Ciro, and Matteo. Messi is a family guy for sure. The plane is also 29 meters long, 28 meters wide, and 8 meters high, and its tail has the number 10 written on it. The plane is in the image of the footballer indeed. In addition, Lionel Messi is the owner of several properties, hotels, and luxury cars. He even owns a unique watch worth $700,000. Messi also owns the most expensive car collection among athletes, including a $36 million 1957 Ferrari and a $4 million Pagani Zonda. He also boasts of Mercedes AMG GLE 63S Coupe, Cadillac Escalade, Range Rover Vogue and Sport, and a Maserati Gran Turismo MC Straddle. The least we can say is that the Argentinian player has the means to please himself. And for good reason. Another mobility tool is indispensable in the life of the sportsman. It is his private Gulfstream G5 jet. What did you think about Messi's Amazing Gulfstream 5 jet? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.